Hello, everybody. I just wanted to take a second to show you that you can now sign the membership form digitally, which is super cool. You can either access the membership form from the email that you may have received from membership, Tanya, myself, or somebody else, or you could also go to the website cveu.me, and then you click on membership. And then when you get to membership, you'll actually notice that it says you can now complete the fillable PDF form online and electronically sign the form. No need to print and scan the form. So what you can do, because before what you had to do was you had to have a wet signature, right? So now you can have a digital signature. So click here for membership form. So click there. And then what will pop up is the actual membership form. And all you have to do is fill it out like so. And, you fill out just as much information as you can. When you get to local association, current employee, this information over here, if you're not 100% sure, we can always look that up for you. So that's fantastic. And then when we get down here where you put name signature, that's where you can go through and sign it, and then it'll be accepted. And then just a word about the next page. It's actually optional, but it is appreciated because it just gives more information to both the CTA, the NEA, and then CVEU about you. So okay, hope that you found this useful. Have a great day. Oh, also, I wanted to add that you can also do it from your phone the same way. You can go to the website, and then you can go to membership, and the membership form will pop up. The only thing that kind of gets challenging is that you have to have a PDF reader on your phone or some sort of program that allows you to digitally sign or make signatures. So that's another way you could do it. You could probably do it on a tablet as well. So lots and lots of ways to be able to sign and become a great member of our great union. All right, guys, bye.